ko si Nono Bebelone, amahan ni Christopher Bebelone. Mga ayaw kong tabang kaya kong balay na tumpag sa bagyong
Typhoon Rai.
Typhoon Rai.
Typhoon odette.
Mga ayaw ko og binuhan tag 300 lang.
Pila may estimate yung bahay na?
Isawag na yung mga
Good morning, this is John Paul Paquibot of Bagong Bayan dos, Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, Philippines. And this is Nono Bebelone, the father of Christopher Bebelone, one of my ping pong players. And Christopher was the champion for the kids category. Then Nono's house is hit by the Typhoon Rai or Typhoon Odette. Then he has no job as of now because most of our companies here or resorts are also not functioning. We don't have electricity and we don't have water, and we're running out of food, so that's a big problem. How many kids you have, sir? Pila ka bata niyo, sir? He has 6 kids and his wife no job, ma'am? Wala trabaho? No job. He also has no job, so this is really a big problem, and he's asking for 10,000 pesos for the repair of his house and 300 pesos daily consumption for 2 months. So that's 300 pesos times 60 days. Hopefully he will find a job after 60 days. And once you will send me money through my PayPal, Gcash or Twist account, I will monitor the progress of the repair of his house. And if ever you will give the 300 pesos daily for 60 days, I will show another video of him receiving the money. Then I will record another video once his house is completed. So I will put the link of my PayPal account, my Twist account, and my Gcash account on the description box of this YouTube video. And thank you. We're really hoping that Nono Bebelone will receive money. So thank you very much. Thank you, sir.